everyone, welcome back to Glam by Maddie. Today we're gonna be playing with two palettes actually, and I'm gonna show you the palettes we're gonna be playing with. We're gonna be playing with the Jeffree X Shane Dawson Mini Controversy palette. This is what it looks like inside, and then we're also gonna be playing with the Morphe X James Charles palette. Today we're going to be doing a purple halo eye, and so get comfortable, get snacks if you want to, get a drink. If you also want to, you can do your makeup with me. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So I'm going to be taking this docolor blending brush in the number 04, and I am going to take this. It's like a purple pink eye look and eyeshadow, and just gonna get a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I am just gonna pack on that color. It's the color exposed. Okay, so now what else I'm gonna do is let's see, I'm gonna get this Jeffree Star. It's like a small blending brush, and it's in the number JS12, and I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this one, the shade Controversy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack this on in the outer V, and I'm gonna go into the inner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker purple, and I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. I am going to take this purple right here. Now I am gonna go in with the first shade we started with. I really like lavender purple, kind of like lavender purple. I am just gonna blend the darker purple out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with a different brush. I'm gonna go in with the docolor in the number 09, and I am going to take the black shade out of the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna get a little bit, and I'm gonna put it right here, just to darken up that purple. See, I was darkening it up. That's what we want. Okay, so now I am just gonna do I'm gonna show y'all gonna put concealer like right here, that way it gives us that little clean, just like a clean base, so I could start doing like what makes it look like a halo eye. So I am gonna get here. You just need like a little bit. For this part, you don't want too much product because you're only doing the center right here. Thank you. Just putting it right there. Okay, so now what I am gonna do is take a smaller brush. I'm taking this eye crease brush. It's like a little one. I am gonna go back in with that brush shade that we use, the exposed shade. What I am going to do is I am just gonna kind of like blend this out a little bit, but not too much. Okay, so now I am gonna go in with that darker purple from the Contour Brush palette. I'm just gonna pack it where we put that other one. If you find yourself putting a little bit too much, or there's like too much of a harsh line, I like to get like a white shade like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a different brush. I'm going with this docolor number 12 with the smaller brush. I am gonna go back in with that black color from the James Charles palette. It's like a little bit. We're gonna put it a little bit like right here. So now, just gonna take this. Let me see, where is it? I'm going to take this. Wait, is it that one? Not this one. It's like a white shimmer, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend that out. Palette drop, get it right. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so now I am gonna do the other eye off camera and my face makeup. I'll be back to do the rest of the eye look. See you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. So right now I'm gonna just be popping on some lashes. These lashes, I am gonna pop on these like pretty ones. So what I like to do is I already cut them so they could shape my eyelid, my eyelash line. So what I'm gonna do is do this duo eyelash glue, the green one. I'm just putting the lash glue in the lash band. So what you want to do is wait for this for it to get tacky. So it takes me about like a minute. Okay, so now that the lash glue is dry, I am just gonna, what you want to do is put your like lashes downwards onto your eye. That is the lash. I don't know if you can see them. So I'm gonna pop on the other lash, and this is how it looks with the lashes on. So now I'm gonna just be putting purple under my lower lash line, just that purple from the James Charles palette. Just taking this docolor brush. It's like a liner brush. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put on this Maybelline Super Stay ink crayon in the shade Lead the Way 15. Okay, so excuse this right here, I got foundation on my hair, but this is the look, and I hope y'all really liked today's video, and remember to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.